Welcome everybody to another episode of Diecast 3000. Hope you're having a wonderful week, day, night, whatever it is that you're in. Whatever you're doing, hope you're doing great. As you can see today, we have some Majorettes. If you saw my last video, this is from the same haul that I got in my trip to Mexico City. We obviously don't get this type of packaging here in the US. This is what you could get. It's 2 die casts plus 2 accessories and some stickers. And still in the old package, unfortunately. And this BW Boss with a very hippie vibe and the tin can. This is, oh, by the way, that's the price in Mexican pesos, not in dollars. What's the price for that one? And let's not wait. Let's start with this guy right here. You can tell it's an old packaging and it's been sitting for a while because it opened really pretty easy. The new package has a different, look at this, it's fading away. I don't know if that's on purpose, but it comes with a tin can. And here's T1, that's what it is. Oh, look at that. Good suspension. I think the spark comes off yet. Lens lights, details in the front, back. This thing, it's metal on metal, which that's what I like. Love piston music, amen to that. Oh. And here we have another T1, and that's the, I can't remember the name of that one. That one is the T3. So let's break it open. Like I said, we don't get this here in the US, so I was glad and happy to find it. When I was in Mexico City. Here we go. Don't know if I'm gonna keep the package, but for now I'll just put it on the side. This one, let's check this one first. That's a opening door. There's no windows on this door or the front. Oh, there is windows on the front, but this one doesn't have anything. That's weird. It's like a little kitchen. Sits in the back. Lens lights and details in the front. More details. Good suspension. This one has a plastic base. That's okay. Then here's the other T1 with opening part on the back. Nothing in it, but it's okay. good details. Scuff on the windows. Let's put in on my handy dandy. Oh, this one has a removable part, so you can take the kayak off if you want and put the. Can you put? Oh yeah, there you go. Or if you don't like that, you can put the tire on top. Just looks silly though. I think I like it with the camping gear on the top. And same thing with this one. I think the parts are interchangeable, so you could put probably just the tire on this one. I don't think the kayak fit on this one. It'd be cool if this one but somewhere out here are the silly stickers that you can put on. I usually don't use them, but they're cool. Anyway, here are the three models: T1, the T1 pickup, I guess we should call it, and the T3. Pretty cool models, something that we don't see here in the US. I think there's only a 5-pack with T1s and Beetles that we get. It's only Target that sells those. Other than that, we don't get single ones like this. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, support the channel to increase this diecast community and take it all the way to the top. And have a good one. Bye.